Welcome to Books Giant. The first time you log into the system, you will see 3 buttons here. The first button is used to create books of your own, where you write and design using image libraries, backgrounds, drawing tools, and writing tools. The second button is used to create stories with artificial intelligence. Give your idea, and it will write the story and generate the images. The third button will take you to the content generator. Here, you can create educational books on any topic, for example, how clouds are formed, or inventing the smartphone, etc. After you create your first book, the buttons will no longer appear here, but rather at the top of the menu. Don't forget that you can also print any book and turn it into a real book on your bookshelf. To print the book, click here and then click on Print. On this screen, click Send to Print. Here, you can fill in the shipping details and pay for printing and shipping. Shipping will take place within a week. In all AI books, you will find this Play and Learn button here. Will take you to this screen with learning games to better understand the book's content. Open questions, a multiple choice test, and fill in the blanks activities. These activities will help you understand the content while having fun, especially if it is an educational book. Please note, the Play and Learn package includes the educational content generator and the learning games, and it costs an additional fee. Here at the top, you can see the credits you have left. The first number is for AI books, and the second is for regular books. If the number shows 0, you will need to purchase a subscription. A standard subscription allows 10 regular books and 10 AI books. The credits renew every month. Now you are ready to explore the platform. If you would like more information on how to operate the platform, you can find the Help menu here, with additional videos detailing the many features in Books Giant. Have fun and enjoy writing. Good luck!